saw in the links video, we can use widgets to enhance the sidebar or footer of our WordPress website. Widgets are individual blocks of content that can be added to available widgetized areas in your theme. Usually, the sidebar is a widgetized area, and some themes allow you to add widgets to the footer as well. Some of the most often used widgets include the most recent post widget, the categories widget, and the archive widget. The widget subpanel in the appearance menu is where you add, rearrange, and edit the contents of your widgets. Your available widgets are shown on the module to the left. On the right, your available widget areas are shown, along with all the widgets they currently contain. The 2011 theme has 5 different widget areas. The main sidebar appears on the right side of the home page and any other pages that use the sidebar page template. The showcase sidebar is only used on pages that use the showcase page template. Then there are 3 widget areas that appear above the footer in columns. To add a new widget, simply click and drag any of the available widgets and drop it into the widget area where you want them to appear. Once a widget is in the widget area, you can rearrange it or move it to a different widget area by clicking and dragging it. I'll move some of these around to show you how this works and how it will look in the public view of my site. I'll also add a search bar to my sidebar by dragging the search bar widget to my main sidebar widget area. Widgets are automatically added to your site as soon as you drag them into your widget area. You do not need to click save. However, if you make any changes to the options or settings of that widget, you do need to click save to update it. To edit widgets, simply click on the down pointing arrow of the widget you wish to edit. Then click save when you're done making your changes. The most flexible and often used widget is probably the text widget. This widget allows you to add any text or HTML code that you want. This widget is very useful for adding embedded code, for opt-in forms, and even video. If I go to the public view of my website, you will see the new widgets I added and the widgets I moved over to the footer widgetized areas. If you want to remove but not delete a widget, click and drag it over to the inactive widget area. Doing this will allow you to reuse this widget at any time you like in the future. To re-enable this widget, simply click and drag it back to one of the widgetized areas. Now that you're familiar with widgets, we're going to move to plugins, which allow you to add new features to your WordPress website that are not built into it by default.